Hello, my name is Emily Owen and I'm going to give you a short update on the Oasys shell for version 18. For those of you who are unfamiliar, the purpose of the shell is multifunctional. In the first instance, it can be used to access and launch each of the different applications within the Oasys software environment, from pre-processing in Primer to post-processing in D3plot, THIS and Reporter. As well as access to the software, you can use the shell to change the theme. You can select and change to your personal preference, and this will be applied to each application in the software. You can also edit and access your preferences. There is also a link to the library of manuals available to you. This includes the manuals for each application, the What's New presentations where you will find an overview of the latest updates for each of the pre and post processors for version 18. You can access release notes and the LS-DYNA manuals volumes 1 to 3. It is also a gateway for the LS-DYNA job submission. From the LS-DYNA submission panel, you can select and define the input variables for your model submission, including the LS-DYNA version, job options including memory, define the number of CPUs, and additional submission options and scheduling. In addition, you can also use the shell to set up various post-processing options to run in batch, helping to automate your workflow. New for version 18, the respective program options, which can be accessed via the post-processing options button in the submission panel, or the options buttons within the shell panel itself have been updated. As well as minor updates to the panels, options to support new features and applications have been added. Notably for D3plot, this is the addition of the 3D viewer export option for the all-new D3plot viewer in version 18. And in THIS, ISO MME output options have been added. More information on each of these can be found in their respective videos. In addition, you can now enable or disable the recording of checkpoint files using the right checkpoint tick box found at the bottom of each application's option window. And you can specify here where the files are written and read from. So to summarise, the shell gives access to software applications, manuals, job submission and post-processing options, to name a few. New options added to version 18 include support for updated features in D3plot and THIS, including 3D viewer output options and ISO MME output options. For any more information on anything covered here, please contact us or your local distributor. The details can be seen on screen now.